how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. So I am so excited to welcome you to this video. Okay, now this video is just all about showing you how to all the tools that you need for this video, for the project. Okay. Okay, so let us get to work. All right, now as a fashion illustrator, one of the most important things you would need is your paper. Okay, you need a good paper, a nice white paper. Okay, now your paper can be in A4, in A5, in whatever size. Okay, just make sure it's a good plain paper. Okay, don't go and bring some rumpled paper. No, you need a good paper just like this. This is an A4 paper. Okay, so the next important thing you need is your pencils. Yes, you need a good pencil. So right here I have a 2B, I have an HB pencils. Okay, I have a lot of pencils here and they have different things that they do. Okay, so you can get any of the pencils, any good pencils. Okay, you can get any pencil that works for you. Okay, and I also have this mechanical pencil. Okay, this pencil is fantastic. Okay, it's a mechanical pencil. I don't need to worry about the end getting blunt and then I need to sharp. No, I don't need to, because this mechanical pencil comes with a refill. Okay, and here's the refill. Yeah, it comes with the refill, so whenever my pencil gets down, I will refill it without sharpening it. So another thing you would need is a good sharpener. Yes, you want a sharpener that will sharpen your pencils and make them very sharp. Yes, that you'll be scared that they are going to, they're going to injure you. Okay, so you need a pencil that is a sharpener that will do the job. This right here does the job for me. So the next one I would need is an eraser. God, so you can't do with an eraser as a fashion illustrator. You need it in all phase, because trust me, you are going to be cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, so you need a good eraser. Okay, you can get an eraser that is more expensive than this, or you can just leave and then take this. This is a good eraser. Now for this level you will need a ruler. Yes, this is my ruler. I have this soft ruler, and I also have this grading ruler. Okay, so for this tutorial I will be using it. Okay, I know it's very big, and then I have the small one. Yeah, so I'll be using everything. Okay, so these are the things that you would need. Okay, note that they are not limited to this. Okay, we have loads and loads and loads of materials that you can use, but this right here is what we're using, okay, for this tutorial. Okay, so get your materials ready and let us go to work. Okay, so I want you to subscribe, invite your friends, and don't forget to comment. Okay, invite your friends, share this video so that others can learn. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.